Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $3 trillion. We are seeing a small retracement occur within the cryptocurrency space, about 1.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. But like I said, if we are looking at the overall market in the last 24 hours to 1 hour, we are seeing some mild red across the board. But one thing to keep in mind that this is a very, 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 very normal occurrence happening right now, which was very much needed, to be quite honest with you guys. You guys need to forget, you guys cannot forget the fact that, these past 2 months, the Q4 has been nothing but excitement and bullishness for the entire crypto space. So small retracements are always going to occur because nothing goes up straight forever. And I believe this is just a small healthy correction before we do see upwards trend occur once again. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one altcoin that I have not covered for quite a while, and that is Bittorrent. My Bittorrent family, thank you so much for always supporting me. And I've been getting some comments from my Bittorrent family saying, hey, Crypto ZX, how are you, where have you been? And I just did not have much time, guys, on my hand because I do have another full-time job, but I am back for you guys. Always remember, your support means the world to me. And you know from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you for you guys and for all the support that you guys show me. But if we are looking at the Bittorrent price, guys, you guys can see Bittorrent has been doing something very, very interesting right now. So if you are a Bittorrent holder, guys, you want to watch this video till the absolute end. If you're looking at the Bittorrent price right now, 0.00408 cents. We are down 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but one thing very interesting we're seeing happen right now is that we are up 1.9% in Bitcoin comparative right now, even though we are seeing a Bitcoin along with the entire cryptocurrency market have a small retracement occurring within the space, but we're seeing Bittorrent up even during this time around. Market cap right now is $2.7 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume has been increasing as well, guys. I've been keeping an eye on Bittorrent, and it has increased quite a bit, and we're currently just a little bit below $1 billion buying pressure. But if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, let's not forget Bittorrent is up 1,300%. But now let's get into the exciting things and see what's going on with the charts and where we're seeing Bittorrent price go in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, you guys can see something very, very, very interesting is happening for the price of Bittorrent, and let me tell you exactly what that is. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading at 0.004 cents, but we are trying to break out. And guys, Bittorrent charts look like the consolidation phase has come to an end. Look at this. Look at this support it has built up over the past couple months around these levels. And as you know, the 78.6 has been a nice level of support for the price of Bitcoin. But I believe it's definitely time for Bittorrent to leave this zone and get back into the 61.8, and off we go into 0.50. And then once this zone comes, then things can really, really get exciting very, very fast. So that's something we should not be ignoring right now for the price of Bittorrent, guys. Like, I'm feeling very confident that the consolidation phase is coming to an end for the price of Bitcoin. As you guys can see, September, to be exact, September 3rd was the time where we tried to break out of the 78.6 and break into the 61.8, but that was, a failed attempt. But this time around, guys, hear me out. We have been kicking the door at this level of resistance at this 0.004196 zone. As you guys can see, we have been knocking the door to break out. Like, we have been knocking the door to break out. Hear me out, guys. And if we get a little bit more buying pressure, guys, I could see this thing break out and even break out of the 78.6 and get back into the 61.8. And let me tell you why. Look at the overall cryptocurrency market momentum right now, guys. We are seeing extreme bullishness occurring within the cryptocurrency space. We're seeing altcoins pop off, even though we're not seeing altcoin season really begin, because BTC dominance is still quite high, guys. And despite that fact, we're seeing altcoins literally skyrocket. And this is going to happen with Bittorrent. I'm feeling it, and I do expect a major breakout occurring very soon. And one price point that we need to watch out is around here, guys, around this zone. Because if we break out of the 78.6, this is the first time. Hear me out. This will be the first time ever since we have broken out, since this initial price correction, and early May, when we saw Elon Musk come out saying Tesla will no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a payment method, along with the China FUD, really created a lot of panic across the board. And since then, we have not seen Bitcoin price into the 61.8. So this time around, guys, I do see that happening very soon. I do expect a breakout. The momentum is building on its own, as I have mentioned. We should not be ignoring that it is up right now, even though we're seeing the momentum fall. I'm sorry, for the short and medium term, we are seeing some consolidation occurring within the cryptocurrency space, which is very normal. Even though that's happening, we're not seeing BitTorrent get too much affected by that. So you guys get what I'm trying to say. I do expect a breakout very soon, guys. And I think we will be off to the races once we get back into the 61.8 zone. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, that would mean a move of about 35% for us to break into the zone. Very realistic, and it is still, guys, quite a ways away from its all-time high, 233%. But you guys know, when markets really do start moving up, when things start coiling up, markets can move up very fast. So that's something we should be keeping very close eyes on right now. Not financial advice. Again, this is just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. But again, I do expect that Bittorrent is going to hit all-time highs this year alone. And after looking at this chart, guys, honestly speaking, I might be thinking of picking up more Bittorrent around these prices, because I am expecting a breakout occurring, and I do see Bittorrent following the overall market momentum very soon. Looking at the Bitcoin charts, because we cannot be ignoring Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin did see a breakout towards the upside. We saw all-time highs set even today at 68,700, but since then we are seeing a 3% retracement. Very normal. But let's not forget that this thing can turn around once again and start heading towards more all-time highs, because the momentum for Bitcoin and the steam for it is definitely there right now. So that should not be ignored. And if we are looking at the BTC dominance, like I had mentioned, BTC dominance has been climbing up once again, and we could even see these kind of numbers happen once again if Bitcoin really does take off and heads towards 80 to 90 to even 100,000, which a lot of analysts are predicting to occur. I still do believe, and I still do stick to my initial initial plan. I do think that Bitcoin is going to hit newer all-time highs before we do see an altcoin rally. But we did see once, one thing to point out, once we saw this consolidation phase after Bitcoin hit an all-time high on October 21st at the $66,600 level. After that, we did see a consolidation phase occur around the 60K level. This caused the BTC dominance to decline, and we saw money flowing into altcoins, which we did see some altcoins go crazy over the past week or two. So that was very exciting, but I still do believe that the momentum is definitely there for Bitcoin to hit all-time highs very soon. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and what are your thoughts on Bittorrent, guys? I would love to know your thoughts down below. Where do you guys see Bittorrent going in the immediate short term, and do you agree that Bittorrent is looking like it is ready to smash past the 78.6 and get back into the 61.8? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, and thank you for wondering where I was. I love you all. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, and that is if you can like, subscribe, and comment. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.